Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I haven't done this before. So actually around 4 months ago I told you guys to send me over some portable setups, and I haven't really done a video on it. So this is the video now for that. Is Portable Setup Wars episode 1. So this is mostly you guys sending over your stuff and your kind of setups to me. So that's really interesting to know what you guys are using and how you're setting your stuff up. So we're gonna go through each of submission, of course, through email zpoltlabs@gmail.com, and as well in the Discord channel. So people also submit it in there. I'm gonna give some of my comments and some of your setups. Alright, so first in our list is from Alvaro Jacaro. He's from Spain, so hello over there. Thanks for watching me from Spain. So in terms of the amplifier, he's using the Topping NX1, which is a pretty portable amplifier. So the player is the Zeku HD X9. So I haven't really tested this out. So really cool looking, sort of like a Zune-ish kind of looking setup, player as well. And of course, you have the KZ-ZSN with maybe this is a 2.5 balance cable or silver cable from KZ maybe. So you have this kind of really compact setup, which is really cool. And has even some organizers to keep them all in place, and the stack really looks cool with that super duper portable kind of amplifier as well. So really cool submission from Alvaro Jacaro. Thank you for submitting. Of course, I wish I can see how the player plays like when it's turned on, but really cool setup here. So it's nice that you have a separate amplifier because you can change things up a bit. Maybe down the road when you want to upgrade, you can still have your DAP intact and just change the amplifiers from time to time. So that's kind of an advantage of having external amplifiers. So that's what I kind of usually do sometimes. I have the Mojo and I have maybe the FIO Q1 Mark II. I change things up a bit depending on my day. If I want to use a different kind of sound, I change things up. I'm not confined to the sound of the DAP that I'm using. So really cool. Thanks for submitting, Alvaro Jacaro from Spain. Right, next in our list is J Victor. So this is from the Philippines. Hello there, thanks for watching. So this is portable setup. So it starts out with Audio Bright Ebony earbuds. So I haven't tried this out, but really cool looking. In terms of the plug itself, really big plug, and you have that kind of Vido kind of design. Really looks cool. And you have the Zshan Z1 with that red accent at the top. Really cool. And this is his setup. Of course, he has also the Shozi Hibiki Mark II. And of course, with that all black kind of setup, everything is black. Everything is a black, matte black, everything. So really cool setup right here. And of course, you have that kind of Shozi Hibiki as well. Really cool cable. Also, you have that braided kind of design. So yeah, really cool setup, all black kind of setup. I can see the theme that you're going for here. So for those of you guys, you may also consider that having a theme in your setups, maybe an all black or an all blue, all white kind of design, just to have some consistency with your setups. It will be kind of more fun in your hobby if you have color coordinated, much like maybe PC parts. You have color coordinated as well over there in that area. So really cool setup. Thanks for submitting, Victor, J Victor, and yeah, hope to see you guys in the next meet as well. Right, next in our list is from Ezekiel Assis. So he has Mojo kind of setup. So really cool. Look at that. Look, you have a very nice cover. So you have a more leather cover compared to what I have with mine. So Mojo setup here with Ezekiel Assis. Of course with the IEM, he has a Kinera Idun. I believe this is a $150 IEM. So really cool looking with that white kind of design and that resin plastic goodness. And also you have a FIO M5 as a Bluetooth receiver and also player. So that's actually, personally, I considered that before because I wanted to have a wireless pair for my phone. And this one is already a player and also a wireless adapter as well. So really cool. They have that kind of versatility. So yeah, from his phone and with the Kinera Idun, and look at that cable. 8-core cable goodness right there. So this is something that you can do. There's also an ES100 Ear Studio. I haven't reviewed that yet, so there's also that, but this one is more versatile because there's also a music player. So really cool. And sometimes you do also pair the M5 to the Mojo. Nice that you have that kind of versatility. And because the M5 is that small, look at how small the M5 is. You can definitely pair them together, maybe again stack them together as well. So you can see how small the M5 is. Really cool. And with that Kinera, even very nice clean kind of setup here. And of course, next is yeah, sometimes he uses also with a phone. So you have a lot of versatility. If you want to use Spotify, maybe go for a phone kind of setup, USB-C to micro USB. And if you want a Bluetooth or a music player, you want to play some FLAC from your music player, you can do that also. So really nice setup. You have a lot of versatility with your setup. That's also something that you can do, guys. If you want some versatility, go for a portable amp DAC combo. It has some Bluetooth, and go for an external amplifier if you want to change things up a bit. So really cool submission from Ezekiel Assis. Thanks for submitting. Alright, next is from Tristan Ruizo, and this is his setup and with the guitar. So yeah, first time I saw a guitar from the photos. Nice, flexing your nice color of guitar, blue, light blue. And look at the Jazz R7 that he has, and it pairs also with color coordinated with his guitar. And of course, moving to the next one, of course, look at that blue kind of goodness. So you also do photography. You have a bokeh at the top. Next, yeah, you have the leather cover as well. So he actually has a ZS3 and also ZSR with a tuned out audio Lacambini with a TRN 8-core cable. So this is the TRN 8-core cable, and you have also a TRN BT10. Yeah, and this is the KZS3, so replaceable. You can change up to the ZSR, change up to the ZS3 when you want. So really cool that you have that kind of versatility. And of course, yeah, you have that blue tips as well, white cable. So you have several. Oh, this I believe the tuned-out audio Lacambini, which is really cool. Look at the color. So light blue also in color, as you can see, guys. It's very color coordinated. And you have a light blue as well with that blue tag as well. So really cool that you have color coordination. That's something that you guys can do as well. Again, plan out the color that you're picking out for you to be able to enjoy the hobby more. Look at that, the blue on blue kind of color. So really cool. Thanks for submitting. This is a really cool setup with that kind of all blue kind of design. Alright, next is from Irvin San Pedro. So he says he has a Spotify through iPhone X, Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter, Dragonfly Black, which is cool, from Audio Quest, Ibaso IT01, foam tips or spin fit. So I believe this is the Ibaso. You have Dragonfly as well. I love Dragonfly stuff. I don't have one yet, but I want to get maybe a red or the cobalt. The cobalt is really gassing me when I heard it. Super duper nice kit. So you have of course an adapter for your iPhone X with a cobalt as well. So this is what he uses an iPhone X, and you guys can see. So USB DACs, of course you can use it via iPhone and you can use it via PC as well. So you have that kind of versatility in your kit. So go either or. And of course you have that kind of IT01 as well. So you kind of has a minimalist kind of setup, but kind of invested in each part of the chain. This is also something that you guys can do, if you are gonna use something wired for 90% of the time, invest a lot more in the 90% because you're gonna use it most of the time. So that's what he kind of does. 100 USD for the amp DAC combo and 100 USD also for the IEM. You kind of invested in that. So really cool as well in the overall setup. Thanks for submitting. Right now we are going to the Discord channel submissions. So if you are not yet followed or subscribed to our Discord, I'm gonna link it down in the comments below. You should be there because there's a lot of discussions there in audio. So first is from Sanjay. He's using a Panasonic earphone. So I haven't listened to this yet, but it kind of looks like a Final E. with that kind of bullet kind of shape. So really cool looking. So here from Rohit is using the RHA MA650. So I haven't listened to or reviewed to a lot of RHA yet, but when I listen to it, it's kind of a clean sound with RHA with some of the earphones that I have listened to. But a really cool setup. So here with Rohit also, he has the KZ-ZSN Pro, which is one of the more popular ones here in this channel. Of course, from Sanjay also, Blonde 03 with the CP145. So this is what I recommend for the Blonde 03. This is also my personal kind of setup with my Blonde 03. So really cool setup here. So with the SONG, you have, I think this is Final Ease. I'm not sure what Final Ease. Oh, Heaven 4. So this more of a higher end compared to what I have reviewed before. So really cool setup here. So with an iPhone cable as well, running off a mobile phone as well. So really cool. So maybe you want to invest in a USB-C adapter, maybe iBasso DC02 or Heidi Sonata. If you want to upgrade your stuff, that's also a cool idea. Ginyu V2, so I kind of miss this guy. Relaxed sounding, not super bright. These are really, I say underrated. I'm kind of it's part of my top 7 before. So yeah, Ginyu V2 for his IEMs. And for Mr. Yoso, he's using the VK4 with a TRN 16 core cable. Look at that, with that carbon fiber kind of goodness. Big plug, also really cool looking. And for Sanjay, actually Sanjay has a lot of IEMs. It seems like with the E500 as well. Are you a collector? So maybe for collector people, I'm also kind of a collector. Mr. Bad Touch says, poor man setup. You have the KZ-ZS10. I haven't seen this for a long time, but this was one of our top 5s before. Still really good pick, I'd say, with that really big plug as well with the cable. And Zishan Z, it's a Walnut V2. 5 buttons. I thought it's a Zishan Z1. For Thanish, Oppo T with 16 core cable. Of course, the Blonde 03. Look at that. Actually, your 16 core cable looks really, really cool because it's fitting with the Blonde 03. So color coordinated with the Blonde 03. With Rust, you have a Zishan Z1 with a VK4. So a lot of VK4 owners here. So really, really cool looking. From Wishmaster, so you have a lot of IEMs here. TRN-B5. This looks like to be the V90. I actually have this. I forgot already. This is like the CK9. I don't remember everything, but cool that you have the TRN-BA5. Music off the rain, you have the KZ-ZS10 Pro. I kind of miss this guy really. I haven't listened to the KZ-ZS10 Pro for a long time. For Love and Lush, you have the TRN T200. So yes, one of the hybrid configurations in this channel. For Susan, you have the KZ ZSX with a really, really cool looking cable, golden kind of cable, and it looks like it's a reinforced kind of cable, which looks really cool. And of course the TRN V90 as well with the TRN T1 cable. So really looks cool as well. So yeah, that kind of does it for our episode 1 of the portable setup wars. So really cool. Thanks for all the submissions. Of course, if you guys want to submit more stuff, email me in zpoltlabs@gmail.com. Of course, send really good photos and really visible ones as well. Or to be easier as well, join the Discord channel and post there your setups. I'm gonna read there like what I did before in sort of like meme review kind of style. I think I kind of prefer the Discord channel already because it's kind of faster and more engaging also for you guys to join the community as well. So head over to the Discord channel and submit your entries there for episode 2 of our setup wars.